What's up, Internet? Funny story actually. My cousin called me about 3 weeks ago, super excited, telling me he's making money with cloud mining. And I'm sitting there like, dude, that's a scam, stop. Because in my mind, cloud mining it was nonsense, you know? Like, why would anyone let you use their equipment to mine crypto? It didn't make sense to me. But he kept insisting, showing me his wallet, his transactions, and I'm like, okay, maybe I'm wrong here. So I decided to actually look into it properly instead of just dismissing it. Turns out, yeah, most of it is scams, but not all of it. There are like few platforms that are actually legitimate, and cryptohash is one of them. So that's what I'm going to walk you through today. Not trying to convince you of anything, just showing you what I found. So this is the main page, and here I choose which crypto I'm going to mine. I'll pick USDC for this demonstration, but they support basically all the major cryptocurrencies. Bitcoin, ETH, USDT, Tron, Solana, everything. Just using USDC today. All right, so now I need to add my payout wallet address. So let me pull up Trust Wallet, tapping USDC, copying my address, going back, dropping it in this field. There, simple. Okay, now I'm setting the target amount. Let me put in, yeah, that'll work. And next, this is important, choosing hash power. So this basically determines mining speed. Higher setting is quicker, but costs more. Lower is cheaper, but takes longer. So there's definitely a trade-off here. I'm gonna set this to, yeah, this range feels right. Good. So the final step, clicking Start Mining Now. Hitting it, and okay, we're live. You can see all the operations running here, progress tracking, total time, all that info. So now I'm basically just waiting for this to finish. And all right, looks like mining's finished. So from here, I've got options, either start a fresh session or withdraw what I earned. But important thing, they require the infrastructure fee paid before processing any withdrawals. You can see the breakdown right here. So yeah, account for that. But it's all shown transparently. Okay, so now I'm gonna select which coin I wanna pay with. Let me see, I'll go with this one. Okay, copying this address, opening wallet. Back here, clicking I've paid, and waiting for verification to complete. Okay, so while this processes and I'm waiting for tokens to arrive, let me explain why this platform's actually top. So here's what stands out about cryptohash. It's predictable. The fee is clear from the start, never changes, no hidden stuff later. I've completed maybe 12 or 13 sessions over the last 3 months, and every single one has been the same exact experience. No surprises, no sudden rule changes, no account issues. It's actually boring, which in this industry is amazing. These scam platforms always have exciting promotions, urgency timers, huge bonuses, all designed to make you act fast without thinking. The legit ones, they're just plain and straightforward. That's the sign most people overlook. One more thing that really helped me, don't leave funds sitting on platforms. The moment your mining completes and fees are paid, withdraw immediately. Get it into your personal wallet where you actually control it. Even if you plan to mine again tomorrow, withdraw first. That habit has saved me multiple times. Anyway, if you want to try this platform, links in the description and comments section. Research it yourself, obviously, but this has been reliable in my experience. If you found this valuable, hit the like. Got questions, drop them below. I actually respond. Appreciate you watching. Later, guys.